Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Tradables. You are with CSI Lakshmi Tota. So in this video, we are gonna analyze how market has performed today, and also we're gonna discuss how this Tradables web application helped us with some data points. With that, we can understand and easily predict the market movements. So with that, I'm going into the video. So Nifty 50, let's see how it has performed today. So last Friday we discussed like Nifty 50 was performing super bullish. And if we see today, it has fallen with 100 points. So minus 0.40% is the depreciation we have seen. But let's discuss how in detail with the data points that this application has given, and also whether the data points that application has given is respected by the market. So with that, if we see, previous close was 24,768 and today's open is at 24,753. So net at the same level. So according to that, I'll also see the charts. So these charts, we are discussing 15 minutes chart with day analytics and 30 minutes chart with week data points and 1 hour chart with month data points. So net week gives us a better understanding whenever we are doing some analysis. So with that, my market has started at 700 level and then it crashed up to 24,600, and immediately from here it started at some range and just started kind of consolidating this thing at 24,600. So looking at in 15 minutes view, although it has reached to the minus 45 degrees, like we were telling in our previous sessions also, if a market is ranging around positive 45 degrees to minus 45 degrees, then we are telling it a range bound market. If market is trading between minus 45 degrees, we are telling it is like downward momentum, and if it is above 45 degrees, it is upward momentum. And this is in day analysis, in 15 minutes data view. But that comes to 30 minutes and 1 hour, we take 90 degrees positive to 90 degrees negative to understand sideways market, or to understand the trend, whether the trend is upside or it is going sideways or it is moving to the downtrend. So with that, if we see, although it has traded between minus 45 degrees, but it tends to be range bound around minus 45 degrees. So it's close to 45 degrees only it was trading around. But looking from the data points, so let's see, I'm going to the trader view. Trader view gives us for a short term indication. Investor view gives us the same data but for a long term investment purposes. So trader view, I'll get my data points at daily, weekly, monthly, while investor view will give data points for half yearly, quarterly and yearly. So I'm going to take trader view weekly analysis to give a better understanding. So if I see, my market is around 24,700. So anytime we are taking Fibonacci and Gann analysis, these two data points are exactly giving us the right data points to understand resistance and supports. So Fibonacci is in percentages, while Gann analysis gives the data in a degrees. So let's say we are at 24,700 range trading in the morning. So that is between 78.6% to 100% of our Fibonacci analysis. So that means our ideology is like, whenever market closes about 24,792, there are high chances like market will take upward momentum. Otherwise, if market, since at any resistance point, there will be profit booking or the reverse turn of the market trend. So if at all market has to reverse, might be it will take the reversal at this resistance of 24,792. If it is reversing until when, like it will take some certain support point, it will not constantly fall, it will take some point at the down and it will reverse the falling trend. So same way we have to understand what will be the immediate support to me. So 24,792 looks to be the resistance and 24,558 looks like my immediate support according to Fibonacci analysis. If we see from Gann analysis also, 24,900 is although 24,753, from these levels are my resistance started. So 24,792, 24,936. So all these levels are also indicating according to my Gann analysis as my support resistance levels, while support level is like 24,596, which is also we are telling the immediate support according to Fibonacci is 24,558. So according to these points, so let's see how market has moved. So although market started at 24,700 point, it has taken fall up to 24,600. So we were discussing at the resistance point, it took reverse turn and it has fallen to certain extent. But till when? Like to the support levels that we have predicted earlier before based on our data points. So exactly from 24,600, it picked up as a support and then it was ended up as a sideways market. So with that, I want to make it clear like exactly the resistance levels and support levels that indicating this analysis are exactly respected by the market. So that's net Nifty 50. Let's see what all the counters have moved the Nifty 50. So Nifty 50, if I have to see what counters have moved today, so 15 out of 50 are positive, but 35 out of 50 are negative. So that's how we ended up in a negative Nifty 50 today. But let's see month to date, because we are at the third week of the December and also we are close to the year end. So from the month perspective, 34 out of 50 are doing good and 16 out of 50 are doing on a negative contribution. So that's net impact of the Nifty 50. So with that, I'm moving to the Bank Nifty. So analyzing the Bank Nifty same way from the data points that we are giving. So let's see, Bank Nifty is very stable close. So with just minimal 2.45 points loss. So we are trading around 53,500 itself on the last Friday, and today open is also 53,500. So according to our analysis, if we have to predict in while market is on, so 53,500 is around my 78.6% to 100% of my Fibonacci analysis. So whenever 53,775 crossed, then we can expect bullish trend. Otherwise, we can expect 53,198 will be the immediate support. So according to GAN also 53,734, like which is more or less close to what is this resistance indicated by Fibonacci, and even 53,271 is also close to the support that we are indicating according to the Fibonacci. So taking these 2 points, let's see how market has moved from the bank perspective. So it is traded between 90 degrees positive to 90 degrees negative. So that is, it is range bound. So sideways market purely for bank. So that's how we see it stably ended up with 2.45 points loss. So looking from our data points, so 53,700 is the major resistance level, but it didn't cross that, but certainly it took downtrend, but again it took exactly support around 53,300 level. So that means we are indicating 53,200 level, but before that itself only it has picked up the support. So it has traded between these two zones itself. So we can easily predict the market movements before market moving itself based on these data points. So let's see what all the counters have impacted Bank Nifty today. So 8 out of 12 are doing positive and 4 out of 12 are negative, and month to date is the important contribution for us to understand better. So 11 out of 12 are doing very good. So with that, I'm moving to the IT Nifty, guys. So IT Nifty, if I have to see, so IT Nifty has downtrend today like with 342 loss, but this, although it is looks like bearish plus today, but it is still in the strong zone. We can discuss that further. So it is minus 45 degrees, minus 90 degrees. So I've been telling that 30 minutes and 1 hour view, anytime market is trading between 90 degrees, we can consider that as a downtrend. So that's exactly here it is indicating, but until when, at what level we can expect the support. So it is currently looks like from here, but still it is very early. We cannot predict from here it took support and it will go up. We cannot say like that, but still we have to wait for the confirmation for tomorrow. So with that, I'll see the data points. So 45,995 was my previous close, and today open is also 45,900 level. So if I have to analyze according to my analysis data points, it is again between 78.6% to 100%. So immediate resistance is like 46,000. According to GAN is also same. It is indicating 46,151, and if at all there is a support, it might have chances to touch around 45,723, and these are the immediate levels of supports if this support is missed according to GAN. But according to we have a Fibonacci 45,473 we can consider as the immediate support. So considering this, 46,000 is like our resistance level, but it is very close. 937 to 46 is like with minimal points, but it took a downtrend. That means it acted as a resistance and the trend reversed. So reversed with the deep downfall until minus 135 degrees, so around 45,500 level. But still it will continue downtrend further, or it will pick up. We will come to know only when tomorrow session. But if at all it falls further, we can say that the immediate support that we have is until 45,473. So it may not fall beyond 45,473, but there are chances like market will take uptrend at this point. So with that, let's see what all the movers for IT Nifty today. So majority TCS and Infosys are on the negative contribution, but Infosys was being the major puller for the last week. So we'll see month to end. So if we see 10 out of 10 are doing positively contributed for the IT. So with that, I want to say, although today IT Nifty looks like very bearish, but net it is doing good considering this data. So we are telling expert view we have implemented. So with that, we can understand what all the levels of resistance and support. So all the levels which are indicating here are support levels. So that means the market is currently trading above these numbers, above the support that we expected. So that means we are still doing very good from IT perspective. So let's discuss the targets for Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, and then we'll wind up the video. So if I have to talk about Nifty 50, from my expert view, it is indicating whatever we have discussed so far in depth from the data points and the analysis. So it's exactly indicating here in a crisp way that market is moving between these two data points that we are telling. 24,797 is the resistance and 24,462 is the support. So market has traded between these two only. So whenever market has crossed this number, then there are chances like it will go above 25,000. So according to day analysis also it's indicating 25,000, and from week analysis also it's indicating 24,991, close to 25,000. So with that we can expect Nifty might go to 25,200 level by the end of this week. And then let's come to Bank Nifty, and also before that I'll show from the OI change what it is indicating. So OI is also telling 25,000 is the resistance level and 24,350 is the support. So both the data are giving exact like around 25,000 number as our target. So with that I'll see what my Bank Nifty is giving the target. So target is like 53,912, so 53,922 from the both points. So we can expect Bank Nifty, there are chances like it will hit 54,000 by end of this week. So with that, I'll wind up the video, guys. So I hope you find the video helpful. If you like the video, please hit a like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. And also please share your thoughts in our comment section, and also any feedback or what kind of data further you want to expect from us. You can easily share in the comment section. Thank you.